What's up, everybody? Happy Wednesday. By the time you're seeing this, it's Wednesday. Some point Tuesday from the point I left my house till I went to the gym, I checked my creator app and I was at 1,999 subscribers, and I finally rolled over that 2,000 mark. Yes, thank you. I am so happy. When I first started, I never cared about subscriber counts. I still don't, but it still feels really, really good when you hit a milestone, and 2,000 is very, very small, but it feels good. I've grown it organically. I haven't received any shout outs from any larger creators. So if you found me, you found me because you stumbled across a great video that you may have liked, or maybe you just like the crazy crap we do here. And we hope this year we're going to do so much more, because we don't want to just be an average review channel. I want to be so much more than that, and I want to do things that other creators aren't doing currently with tech and things of that nature. So really don't have a game plan right now. We're just going to wing it. I think winging it is the best thing we can do. So again, thank you if you've subscribed, you found the channel, whatever it is. I don't know how, but I'm happy. I'm like really, really super happy. So thank you so very much for being a part of this. It's amazing. And I will see you in the next video.